Are your lip gloss tubes plain and basic like these, but you want to upgrade them and take them from this to something more spectacular and fabulous and glamorous like this to boost your sales? Keep watching this video. I have been doing a series of videos about how to start a lip gloss business, everything you need to get your lip gloss business up and going, how to clean your lip gloss tubes, how to fill your lip gloss tubes, how to make the lip gloss. So now on this video, this is like an extra bonus to the lip gloss series of my videos. I am going to show you how to make your lip gloss tubes stand out more and better than everyone else's. Because some people could say, everyone's selling lip gloss. But if you can just make yours pop and give it that extra pizzazz and that sparkle, then that may put more eyes on your lip gloss and make people more attracted to your product. So today I am going to show you how you can bling out your lip gloss tubes. So these are the 3 colors of lip gloss tubes that we're working with today. It's black, it's like a rose gold color one, and then there is a bronzy colored one as well. So first things first, you want to make sure you wipe them off with alcohol. Because I did just fill them up recently. I washed them off and everything, but even before I add embellishments to anything, I like to go over it another time with alcohol just to make sure the surface is clear and doesn't have any grease or residue. So you will need some rhinestones. I have this little pickup tool that I purchased off Amazon for about $8. My lip gloss tubes, I bought them off Amazon as well, but you can also buy them in bigger stock or wholesale. Get them off Alibaba. But these were just some that I just purchased on a humble just to have some extra, because I already purchased lip gloss originally for my daughter's website. But I decided that we would go ahead and make some lip gloss too, because she really likes lip gloss and I wanted her to just have that experience. So I was like, you know, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it in I'm gonna make it to fit our personalities, and we really like bling, and I just really wanted them to stand out. So first you just add a little bit of glue, and this is a precision tip bottle. You can purchase this off Amazon. I have my liquid fusion glue inside of there. Now I'm just going to show you how I add the rhinestones. This is a 5mm jelly size rhinestone. And you may feel like, oh, this is too time consuming. Who has time to do that? That's why these particular lip gloss tubes are going to be considered. These are going to be our limited edition. So if they do really well and people like them that much, then I will continue to do them. I'll just have to make sure they're priced accordingly, because it doesn't like it takes 2 seconds to do this. But this is just going that extra step. That extra added step to make sure your products stand out. Just a little line of glue and just kind of going down the line of glue. Just to add a little razzle and dazzle. I'm going to show you how I am going to embellish this tube. I'm going to be using these yellow AB Jelly Citrine Yellow Rhinestones. Just gonna go up the tube with a little line of glue. I like to do 2 lines. And this is just all completely freehand, trying to make sure it's nice and straight and consistent as possible. And I just kind of start at the top. Approximately 8 rhinestones going down the tube. So just go ahead and watch how I do these on this. going to embellish this pink tube, and I'm going to be using these pink jelly stones. Result of the Blingy lip gloss tube tops. This is just something that you can do to set your lip gloss tubes aside from other people's, just to make yours have that extra sparkle and that extra glamour. These are the ones I did in today's video, and I will show you the other two that I had already previously did, and these are a limited edition. They will be on the website www.myroyalradiance.com. If you are interested on how you can purchase this lip gloss, you can visit the website that you see right here below. There will also be a link in the description, www.myroyalradiance.com. This is named after my two beautiful daughters. And these are our prosperity collection. You are looking at passive income, home ownership, billionaire, financial freedom, and generational wealth. And the names are from left to right. So if you're interested in these lip glosses, go ahead and support us if you'd like to. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope that this video did give you some type of inspiration to go ahead and spruce up your lip gloss tubes if you have the time, or your own personal lip gloss tubes. Here's my lovely daughter. This is just a promo from our photo shoot that we did. I have a video showing how you can make the balloon garland in the background. On our website, we sell more than just lip gloss. Lip gloss is the main thing, but we have other things to choose from. And thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.